So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Sumo Rock Luna, and for today's video, guys, we will be doing the toy review for our Marvel Legends series Gameverse, inspired from the video game series Marvel vs. Capcom Juggernaut, as you can see right in front of your screen, and as well the original or the very OG from Marvel Legends Select, which is the Juggernaut Select version 1. Alright, because as we all know, the Marvel Select Juggernaut has a 3 variety already, right? The version 1 and then the version 2, then which is an early newly released sometime I think 4 to 5 years ago for the version 2, which is this particular helmet is not dark or a little bit lighter for the color, while the third version is the unmasked Juggy, which is usually the rarest and priciest Marvel Select Juggernaut. So we will compare them on each. So as we all know, guys, that from other Juggernaut lines, especially the buff part and the other Marvel Legends Juggernaut series, the buff part, and the other one, there is a bootleg. Now, this one, guys, the Gameverse is all authentic. Okay, it looks, based on the other reviews and other comments of other collectors, alright, medyo mukha siyang bootleg, okay? In Tagalog term, guys. Yes, mukha siyang bootleg, yun yung napansin ko, pero authentic siya, guys. Bakit? Alright, so, let's move first for the height comparison muna ng Marvel Select and Gameverse Juggernaut ng Marvel Legends. So this one, the original version, the chunky one from Select, is 8.5 inches tall, while the Juggernaut Gameverse is at around 8.9 inches tall. Okay, and this one, when you buy the Marvel Select, the version 1, it doesn't have any alternate hands. Okay, for the buff part as well from the previous Marvel Legends, I don't have the Juggernaut already. I already sold it. It comes with alternate hand and alternate head sculpt. Usually na mukhang battle damage si Kane Marco doon, yung unmasked. Doon sa Marvel Legends naman na Juggernaut. While this Gameverse, kasi nga inspired siya sa video game ng Marvel vs. Capcom, this one has 2 alternate hands. This is the default hand. If you watch already the unboxing video, guys, so this is the default hand, the closed fist, and this is the alternate hands. Alright, one open palm for left and right hand, which is a little bit of a gripping hand. Okay, ngayon, articulation wise, medyo makunat ang ating Marvel Select. Okay, na napaka, alam mo yun, kahit tumagal siya, sobrang tight pa din ng joints. And this one has around 18 points of articulation only. And some parts as well limits it or hinders the movement. Okay, lalong-lalo na sa legs. Okay, hindi siya makapag-bend masyado kahit double jointed na yung niya. Yun yung slight difference pati sa arms. Diba? Kung makipapansin nyo. Ito yung sa arms niya, hanggang ganyan lang. Sa select. Wala siya masyadong abdominal crunch. Only slight swivel. And wala ding hip swivel. Sa Marvel Legends naman na Juggernaut Gameverse, it has 20 points of articulation na napakalupit. Yun yung pinaganda nila ngayon dito sa Juggernaut na to. Different concept naman kasi, di ba? This is from the comics, yung select. This is from the video game. Now, kinaganda nito is that yung shoulder niya, ayan, kung makikita nyo, napaka-flexible. Pareho lang naman silang plastic ABS, pero ang dating is lighter yung pagka-plastic ito, kaya maganda compared sa Juggy na to. Mas mabigat itong Marvel Select na Juggernaut. Ito slightly mabigat lang, pero mas mabigat pa rin si Select. Yun. Articulation wise, mas maganda ang Gameverse compared sa Marvel Select, and compared din sa Juggernaut Buff. Okay? At ito to kasi may somehow butterfly joint. Ayan, makikita niyo sa likuran. Which si Marvel Select ay wala. Pati din yung buff part nung nakahawak ako, hindi din siya masyadong butterfly effect yung joint sa back. Now, pareho sila may bicep swivel. Okay? Sa articulation, ayan, pareho sila may bicep swivel. Ang Marvel Select and ang Juggernaut Gameverse to sobrang tight. Now, another part is their color. Marvel Select, sobrang dark ng color niya. If you will notice, di ba? Darker shade, darker weathering, sobrang dark brown. This one, medyo pale. Kaya parang sinasabi nila, mukhang bootleg. Yan. Based sa mga napanood kong review or other comments sa other collectors. But, the thing is, dahil nga galing siya sa video game inspired ng Marvel vs. Capcom, kaya ganyan ang kulay niya. Kasi ganyan din talaga siya sa pagiging 2D niya sa PlayStation 1 days and PlayStation 2, to be honest. Okay? Now, kaya sinabi ko, minimal swivel lang ang torso ni Marvel Select. But for the Gameverse, it has an awesome swivel of the abdomen. Ayan. Makikita nyo. Wala din siyang hip. Pareho sila ng Marvel Select. Silang dalawa na walang hip swivel. Only abdomen swivel. But this one, ang advantage ng Gameverse is that nabebend mo siya ng konti. Ayan. Compare dito, hindi talaga sa Marvel Select. Hindi na siya nabebend. Ito slightly can bend and can move left and right. Ayan. Okay? And iba na yung mode, yung scout nung Juggernaut na Gameverse. Talagang advanced na yung kanyang pagkakagawa dun sa mold ng scout ng Juggernaut. Kasi pareho naman sila ng Marvel Select na meron ding eto, tight swivel, okay? Pero sobrang tight pa din yung kay Juggernaut Select. This one, yan. Tight, pero hindi sobrang tight. Alam mo yun, it's still movable. Then double jointed din yung knees nila. And ang problema, yung feet ni Select naman is hindi siya masyadong movable. Hindi siya napipivot o nagagalaw ng masyado ng up and down. Only left and right, kung makikita nyo, di ba? Ayan, oh. Ganyan lang siya. Okay? Comparing sa Marvel Select na Marvel Legends na Juggernaut, maganda ang ball joint nito sa paa, and the toes are bendable. Yan, kikita nyo naman, di ba? And ang maganda din, kahit yung knee part, the double jointed, may knee swivel. Another advantage about this Gameverse na Juggernaut. Alright? Now, may kasama din siyang effects, either blast or punch effect to. Pwede nyo gawin. Ako, ginawa ko kanina. Nakita nyo sa start ng video, diba? Ginawa ko siyang parang Hadouken. Like, parang may superpower si Juggernaut na Gameverse. Now, just to give you insight as well, guys, sa mga viewers natin, sorry. Ang Gameverse, then, ang advantage dahil sa, as we all know, kahit yung Marvel Legends na unang release nilang Juggernaut buff and the Marvel Select na Juggernaut, itong mga design nila about their bicep braces, wrist braces, and itong sa knuckles nila, they are not removable at all. Hindi siya natatanggal. Ang Marvel Legends na Juggernaut Gameverse, this one, okay, another advantage na kaya dapat as a Juggernaut collector makakuha kayo, ito guys natatanggal. For example, this default hands niya na closed fist, this can be removed. Why? Ayan, pakita ko yan. Tatanggal siya para yung effect ilalagay mo siya dyan para mamimili ka kung saan mo gusto, kung left or right, depende sa'yo kung anong trip mo. Lalo pag susuntok siya, parang Shining Star ni Captain America, ayan, dyan mo lang siya ilalagay. Napakahirap nga lang, pero ayan, ganyan siya. Okay? Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam at balak bumili ng Juggernaut na Gameverse, ganyan, natatanggal siya. Kaya ingat lang din kayo kasi soft plastic to na ABS, so madaling matanggal. At kahit din tong effect na to, madali, matibay siya pero baka mabasag agad pag natutumba, kaya mag-ingat lang din kayo. So, ayan. So, ipapakita ko din lang sa inyo, guys. Oops, mukhang nagkamali pata ako. Ayan ha, natatanggal siya. At maganda ang details lalo din ni Gameverse na Juggernaut. Dahil kuha yung mga ugat, yung body sculpt talaga ni Juggernaut sa game mismo ng Marvel vs. Capcom. Okay? Now, okay. Ayan, mamaya na yan. Now, kagaya sinabi ko, natatanggal siya. So, sa right hand lang tayo, ay papakita ko lang. Pag tinanggal mo, kaya din siya parang sinasabi ng iba na parang bootleg. Kasi diba, yung bootleg ng Marvel Legends na Juggernaut din. Kasi na isa na mayroong alternate, may bootleg kasi na alternate na may alternate head, diba? And may alternate hand. Doon hindi natatanggal, although hindi natatanggal yung brace niya, yung ganito, yung sa knuckles. Medyo pale lang din yung color, kaya sinasabi nilang nagmumukhang bootleg. Pero ito guys, natatanggal siya. Ayan, papakita ko lang. Pero yung bootleg naman, nung nakahawak din ako and in the original, hindi natatanggal yan. So you can have him, si Kane Marco, na napaka simple lang. Ayan, kagaya din ito natatanggal din to, pero ayan, cautious lang na walang mga brace. So ayan, clean cut. So pwede mo din siya magamit sa custom kung sakali. But again, you need to think kasi medyo pricey na si Juggy if magko-custom ka, diba? And if you have unmasked head ng Kane Marco, pwede din dito. Alright? Kung Marvel Legends. And yung sa head naman niya, guys, medyo hollow lang siya. Papakita ko lang din. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Oops! Ayan lang siya. Underneath. Hindi siya natatanggal. Pero pwede mo pa rin siyang tamatanggal. Nakadikit lang naman yan. Tatanggalin mo lang siya kung gusto yung papaltan. Pero maganda yung details and everything ni Juggernaut or ni Kane Marco dito sa Gameverse na to. Again guys, Huwag niyong isipin na bootleg ang itating niya kasi nga medyo pale, but ito talaga ang colorway niya sa Marvel vs. Capcom. And doon talaga inspired, kinuha yung idea niya as a Juggernaut. Hindi kagaya ng ibang Juggernaut na galing sa like the Marvel Select, galing sa comics, and yung iba naman is from the animated series din or sa comics din but ibang version. Yan. So yan, ako ngayon ang nahihirapan magbalik. So ayan guys, just a quick toy review of our or comparison as well of our Marvel Select Juggernaut versus the Gameverse Marvel Legends Juggernaut, inspired in the video game itself, Marvel vs. Capcom. But overall guys, this is a must-have as a Juggy collector or even an X-Men collector or Marvel collector. Napakaganda niya. Napaka-solid ng articulations, napaka-chunky. Yes, nasanay tayo sa Marvel Select na colorway. It's still the OG. For me, it's still the best of the best. Okay? But they are both in a different idea sa pagkakagawa. Again, dito para sa akin, this is much more comic accurate itong Juggernaut Select kesa dito sa Gameverse, right? But as a fan of a video game ng Marvel vs. Capcom, this is the one naman na kuwang-kuwa yung color niya. Alright? So, again, depende sa collector kung alin ang magugustuhan ninyo. But, for me, I love Juggy as well. So, much better na at least makakuha kayo ng pareho. Diba? Wala namang kaso eh. But again, it's all authentic. All goods in the hood na napakaangas silang pareho. Okay? Kung compare mo, mas matangkad lang talaga si Gameverse. And mas maangas ang articulation. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick toy review of our Marvel Select Juggernaut and the Marvel Legends Gameverse Juggernaut, the unbeatable and unstoppable Kane Marco, the Juggernaut. So again, this is Sumrock Luna. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. So Sumrock Luna out. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Peace out. Salute and bye-bye. Bye, guys. Peace. Juggy out.